This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable JavaScript on the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To enable or disable JavaScript, it's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is open Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the little red O. I'm going to click on the red O. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. And I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, I'm going to click on Site Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down to the Content area, and in the Content area, right here, JavaScript, I'm going to click on JavaScript. And up top here, default behavior. By default, sites can use JavaScript. That one's probably toggled on by default. But you could toggle off JavaScript by toggling on the bottom one. Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. That is how to enable or disable JavaScript in the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.